After 100 years and 4 generations of construction pricing tools, Harrison Publishing continues in its commitment to deliver the most comprehensive pricing and mechanical content. In 2015, it is now available through our latest pricing and data management software platform called CINC, which stands for Construction Information Network and Exchange. As a Viewpoint estimation user, you'll find that this software can help your company in many unexpected ways. You'll also then understand why 9 out of 10 top 100 U.S. mechanical contractors depend on Harrison for pricing every day. This video presents CINC from a Viewpoint estimation user's perspective and answers the question, why, as a fundamental service, should my firm be using CINC pricing software? Here are 3 reasons. By keeping your estimating software current with your market prices, you eliminate the possibility of submitting bids containing old or inaccurate pricing. The process of updating Viewpoint's content library with CINC market pricing is easy. Because estimation and CINC speak the same language, much of the updating process happens with minimal manual involvement by anyone. Another benefit and reason to use CINC's pricing service is to track down hard-to-find items when you really need the information 24/7. And by the way, 24/7 cloud availability, allowing you to use CINC anywhere and from most all devices, is also a big deal. A third benefit of using CINC pricing is how useful it becomes during those occasions when, within the life of a project, your firm must issue an RFI change order. Using manufacturer list prices is always the right way and the right approach in managing change orders. With a number of features and tools available by way of CINC and its collection of pricing data, the process of completing RFIs is efficient and complete. Let's just say that in today's business world, the difference between firms that are always struggling to those that continue to succeed and grow is the latter's access and utilization of data to help make solid business decisions day in and day out. That is what CINC brings to your firm. Valuable data exists within your firm's winning bid. Additionally, if you use CAD for spatial coordination and modeling, you have even more valuable data representing exactly what is going to be procured, fabricated, and installed. For any one project, if real project data exists, it should be reused and passed to the next project team member ready to make good use of it. CINC makes that possible. Now let's take a quick look at some of the other features within CINC besides pricing that would be valuable to a Viewpoint estimation user. CINC transfers the complete data set from the estimate exactly as it was organized using Viewpoint structure function. This unique process captures how the estimator organized and categorized the project's data set. The process now is straightforward for bringing it right into CINC. Now that it's in CINC and the data is available to other project team members for them to make use of it in any way, shape, or form that is useful to their responsibilities. CINC provides you with a tool to build a complete custom library of the content exclusive to what you estimate, detail, purchase, assemble, install, and then maintain. CINC works and integrates directly into purchasing and accounting tools already existing in your company. Can you imagine how useful and powerful that level of data sharing could be? CINC can also be used to remove the issues raised when trying to communicate between yourself and the different e-commerce protocols and formats each of your suppliers may or may not require you to use. CINC flattens data disparity and allows the many different construction software applications to communicate and exchange data automatically. The great benefit being efficiency and accuracy, eliminating non-value-added data input and human error. There's not a better example of CINC exchange and flattening of data capabilities than the process of sending out a CINC-created RFQ to any one of your supply chain distributors. The process is simple, automated, and once quotes are returned, your project manager or purchasing manager can use CINC to run a line-by-line quote comparison across the submitted quotes. To summarize, If your firm uses estimating software to secure future projects, you should be using CINX. The risk of not using CINX in your workflow has the potential to be quite severe. Once you do move to CINX, you'll also be able to access the many other tools and capabilities CINX delivers to its mechanical contractors and suppliers. Contact HPH today to learn more about CINX and how it can help your company become more efficient and profitable. Visit cinx.com or call 800-890-0820 or email info@cinx.com.